Hello, welcome to Food and Barbecue. Today we're going to make some shredded beef, but due to unforeseen weather circumstances, we're going to do it in the crock pot and not on the grill. So what I've got is I've got some passata tomatoes, some garlic powder, some curry, some onion powder. I've got some barbecue sauce, a little bit of liquid smoke, and a piece of chuck. So I'm just going to prep it and season it up. So as you can see, it's quite a lot of fat in this. So I'm actually going to cut this in two. Split it down here because I don't want this hard inner fat. That would have been good on the grill, but not really in the crock pot because it doesn't get warm enough for that. And this also releases this connective tissue. There we go. There's a piece over here as well. Don't worry, this is gonna go in the burger, but I'll put that in the crock. Okay, so I'm gonna put that on the bottom, like so. Actually, no. Okay, so I changed my mind. Putting the stuff into the crock pot first, and then I'm gonna put the meat into there. So, add the tomatoes, and then to this we're gonna add the seasoning. For this size, it's about 1.5 pounds of chuck. I'm gonna be using 1.5 tablespoons of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1/2 tablespoon of hot curry. Up to you if you want to use that. It's not necessary to have that. 1/2 teaspoon of liquid smoke, and then we're going to add 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper, and then we're going to add 1/2 cup of barbecue sauce, and last but not least 1 teaspoon of salt. There we go. Give that a stir. And then we're gonna add the meat to this, cover it well, and there we go. I'm gonna put this on low for 8 hours. Then I also decided that I wanted to add some onion to this. I sliced up and quartered 1 large onion, which I'm gonna put in there. And that's it. In, well, 7 hours and 55 minutes. Okay, let's see what we have here. Smells really nice. Time to try to shred it. Let's see how it falls apart. Oh, it does. And there we go. Looks pretty good. And I'm gonna put it back in the sauce, mix it all up, and then it's time to make a sandwich. Melting some butter in a frying pan and then just giving the bread some golden crust. So after a few minutes, this is what we have. This is keto bread, so it doesn't brown the way you're used to. Anyway, basting with a little bit of salad, and then just putting the shredded beef or chili on top of there. And then it was just time for a picture and a taste test. There we go, a crock-pot chili or shredded beef, whatever. I'm gonna try it. It's really good. I'm gonna enjoy that. Thank you for watching. Bye.